empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to prepare simple snacks that you have been buying from the shop, from the supermarket, from a vendor, from a wholesale shop, that you as a person can prepare from home. When you have a birthday party for your kids, when you want to have a simple snack at home, these are to go to snacks. They will never fail you. They are very simple to prepare, and from today you will never buy them again. Today we are going to learn how we are going to prepare these snacks right from home. Join me and let's do this. These yummy snacks are prepared under medium heat. Fryums only require cooking oil and you're good to go. Fryums are 100% healthy, safe, and delicious as they don't contain any trans fats, cholesterol, or preservatives, making them perfect to eat with no doubts. The first set of snacks that we are going to prepare is the star-shaped Fryums. Like the other snacks, they come in with rich color. Look at that color. This is very beautiful. I'm going to directly deep fry it in medium heat. And in few minutes, our snack will be ready.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be.
As our snacks are continuing to fry, let's learn more about these Fryums. Fryums are small colored flakes that come in very many shapes. They come in circular, star shapes, numbers, letters, and very many more shapes. Fryums are made up of potato, wheat, maize, rice, oat, barley, and tapioca. It depends on the type of the Fryums that you have at hand.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
Our snacks are ready. It just took very few minutes and here we are. Let me taste it and tell you how it is. The snacks are crunchy and yummy. Sunshines, if you want to save a coin, please be preparing these snacks for yourself. Drums roll. The second snack to be fried is the numbers. I know this is most famous with kids. When you have a birthday, you must have seen or you must have bought this from a supermarket and you've seen kids enjoy. We are going to go through the same process. We are going to deep fry and our snack will be ready.
To where we started get me out of now. To where we started oh no.
Another important tip that I must not forget to tell you is that you have to cook little by little. If you want best results, don't overcrowd your pan.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. As somewhere far beyond, keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Got down feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you. And you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but
Another famous snack is the lettuce Fryums. I know you're familiar with this as well. In fact, I thought all of them are called letters. Not until recently, when I developed an interest in them, that I learned they have very different names.
that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Got down feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slipped to the
Before I could blink and open my eyes, voila, our snack was ready. Another important tip that has come to my mind is that please drain the oil. And on the container that you're putting your snacks, please put a paper towel so that it can take in or it can take away any extra oil that might have remained from the snacks.
Looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, what's up, I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Our fourth snack is a circular Fryums, commonly known as the pipes. If you go to a shop, you will ask for pipes, and this is what you'll be given. From where I bought them, I realized that there are two types. These small ones and the other ones which are little bit longer. So if you love the longer ones, you have an option, and if you love the small ones, you have an option too. Family, if you want to start a business using these Fryums, I'm telling you, you're going to make a lot of profits. This is because you can buy it as a raw material, you fry it, and you package it well, and there you go. You are going to make a killing out of this.
And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision, I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please.
Family, look at that. I love the color. This is popping. I'm telling you, if you're here with me, you would bear me witness. I hope my camera is doing me justice as well.
Help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you just wanna be.
Family, let me know on the comment section which snack was your favorite. For me, everything was tasting so marvelous and I loved all of them. And because we learn new things every other day, please try this out and let me know if you loved it. I will appreciate your feedback on the comment section below.
Happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Could be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a.
Sunshines, we've come to an end of another interesting video. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for being part of this vlog. If you like this type of content, please consider hitting on the subscribe button down below and join me in growing my YouTube channel. Thank you for my returning subscribers. Thank you for those who are viewing my content for the first time. I appreciate each and every one of you. See you on our next vlog. Bye.